Welcome to LiciaToday. So I just wanted to show you guys, I'm working on a project for my son. So I just want to show you guys real quick what I'm doing here. So I'm making my son a Switch game holder. I put some of his favorite games on there. So right now it's just engraving it and it's gonna cut it out. So I'm just showing you guys just a little bit of the process. So here is how it's looking on an xTool creative space. So this is what it's doing right now. All right, so this piece is done, or I should say these pieces are done. So I'm gonna use this one. Oop, it's kind of close. So I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna get the other piece to finish the last piece, and then we'll put it together. And I'll show you how to put it together here. Okay, so I have all 4 of the pieces here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue them together, and then I'll show you guys the end product. So this part's gonna glue to this, and this one's gonna glue onto this one. All right, so here's the end product. Tried to see about the games and they fit in there good. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care, stay blessed.